Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're going to work on the 66 Chevelle Convertible today. Mike's convinced himself this thing has got a miss in it. I don't feel a miss in it. But we did pull a #1 spark plug out, and it looked kind of oily. So we're going to treat this car to a new set of spark plug wires, all right? And we are going to get some new spark plugs in there. And let me show you what we're going to do. I'll get these old ones out first. Here we go. All right, we got the old spark plugs out, and to be honest with you, all of them look pretty much black and sooty and fouled. I mean, this is the only one that's kind of good. It's brown. It looks like at least it was burning a little bit. But I tell you, a lot of the spark plug wires felt really, really loose. So I'm glad we're getting some new spark plug wires on there. So yeah, they look pretty sooty. All right, let me show you what I'm going to switch to. So I had the R43 XLS, and XL stands for extra long, and S is for the radio suppression. And I'm switching to a R45 XLS, which should be, according to all you bleep bloopers out in the forums, should be a little hotter spark plug. All right, we'll see if this works. Before I get too far into this, I thought I'd kind of bring you up to speed on this spark plug change that I'm doing. I've got all the new spark plugs in, and then Mike and Larry and I started talking about the valve covers on this, and we had heard a little bit of a knock on the valve, under the valve train on this side. So, you know, it got us looking at all the valve springs and everything. And one of the things this car has are these huge spacers. I mean, look at these things. And we looked real close, and it looked like the rocker arm was hitting right about there. I don't know if I can focus in on that. Right about there. So that might have been the knock. And then we got to talking about, well, why do we have these big spacers when we got some valve covers in the shop here that could replace these spacers, not be so thick to where, you know, that it's not going to hit the rocker arms. I'll take this valve cover off and show you. But we pulled out these valve covers off the shelf, and we're going to change them out so we don't have these giant spacers on here. All right, so let me show you what I'm up against. So here's the valve train on this Chevelle, and as you can see, these rocker arms get really, really close to the edge out here. So if this is got any type of thickness on it, it's gonna rub. So hopefully these, yeah, these are a little bit thicker, but not quite as thick as what we're dealing with on these jobbies right here. All right, so that's what we're gonna give a try out on this. And of course, I got worries about the PCV valve and venting, and I think I have venting on this side, but I won't have venting on this side with the new one unless I knock a hole in it. And I really don't want to do that. So we'll look at my options as I go along here. Hey, welcome to Car Rides with Mark. Today you're in the 66 Chevelle Convertible. So it looks kind of shaky over there, so I apologize. We'll see if I can get out on a smooth road. So, got new spark plugs. I've got new valve covers. I've got new spark plug wires. So hopefully we're in good shape now. I see you're over there shaking like crazy, but tell you what, this thing's got some giddy up and go now. No messing around with this anymore.
tell you, we switched from a 850 carburetor to I think a 650 poly carburetor, and this carburetor's way better. The other carburetor was bogging down. The plugs were all nasty and black. I'll tell you what, it wasn't good. It was too much carburetor for this engine. So we're gonna ride around in this for a while, see how it goes. Maybe even go up on the highway. Of course you're gonna pull out in front of me. There's another one. All the people from Ross getting out of work for lunch. Right around lunchtime. We're on Tuesday, October 13th, I think. Looks like some rain clouds are in the sky, but it's kind of spotty sunshine, spotty clouds, whatever. It's nice enough to drive around in. It's comfortable. It's in the low 60s, so the car really likes that. The car's running about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good. Happy to see that. Oil temperature or oil pressure up around 54, 55. That's good. You enjoying your ride over there? This is our 4-minute, 22-second ride over to Mike's. Coming up to Turkey Road here. A little traffic here at lunchtime. On a little incline here, so hopefully the guy behind me doesn't get too much close to me. I'll tell you what, Mike doesn't like this car now. I don't know what's wrong with him. Really scoops. No hesitation at all. No bog. Boy, this feels great. I'll check the speedometer out and see if it's right. Feels like 55 miles an hour. But once I get over to Mike's, I'll hook this up. I'll hook this camera up so it can tell me what speed I'm at, and we'll check the speedometer and make sure that's okay. But we're cruising along at 55, and it looks like about 2,800 RPM. I think Larry and I looked at. I can't remember. No, we didn't. I can't remember what the gear ratio on this, but if I had to guess, it's, I don't know, 373 if I had to guess, or 355. Alright, we're back to Mike's, and I think he's helping his, ooh, got a little squeaky in the brake. He's helping his daughter out with some hanging cabinets today. So I see her car here, and the new Hummer is gone. But I'm just going to make a quick turnaround here, get resituated, and continue this test drive. All right, we came over to Larry's. What do you got going on, Larry?
I don't know. It's just clean, clean, clean. All I got. Hopefully, I got most of the things cleaned up for it.
You know, this car's got to be done by March.
Yeah, I know. We're running out of time already.
Running out of time. At least we got a running engine, and we got the drive line in, right?
Right.
I think Larry got the dash in this week.
Yeah.
Look at that. So he's making progress. I'm never over here to help him. I'm always over at Mike's. Look at that. 300 post car there. And they're coming back to the trunk. Larry's got his trunk all painted up. Look at that, Tom Reitler. Man, he's doing it. He's doing a nice job there.
$28.
Oh, so we got, look at the meats on this thing. How wide are those tires, Larry?
21.5.
Wow. This thing's going to be something else.
Has 43-inch tires underneath of it.
Oh my gosh. Well, it'll probably be just like always. We'll be here in March,
Yeah.
thrashing away, trying to get her done.
On the 27th of March, we'll be out here.
It's going to look pretty badass. I know Larry's talking about tinting the windows, so it looks all sinister looking. Here's the other side.
Not too dark.
Not too dark, but just dark enough. He's been working on the glass, side glass. Looks like he's got it all in now. That's a little trickier with the post cars because you got to work around the frame there. It's not as easy as...
The rear is pretty easy, but boy, the front doors was awful.
All right. This is a monster motor, I tell you. It looks good.
Yeah, back in the mid-70s, that engine ran. The quickest was 1081.
Wow. And what do we call this? Cool running?
Cool breeze.
Cool breeze. Cool breeze. Yeah. I was thinking of the movie Cool Running. But Cool Breeze after Harold Cool. This was his car. And who's your other buddy down in Florida?
Burton.
Tom Burton. I bet Tom's watching this video. And he's just licking his chops. Tom, you better plan a trip up here to the Cleveland area March 27th because we're going to debut this car at the Cleveland Autorama. So I'm going to get out of Larry's hair today. I drove the convertible over. See it out there? I'm on a test drive. Tell Mike I'm on a test drive.
Mark is on the test drive.
Yeah. I'm still working. I'm on the clock. I got to get going. See ya. All right, there you go. New spark plugs, new spark plug wires. Didn't expect to put on valve covers, but we got new valve covers on now. And they actually look pretty good. I think they match this car a lot better than the stock ones with those risers on there. I mean, who makes this thing? I can't read that. Cal Custom. Ooh, Cal Custom. Very cool. But I drove the car all over the place. I went over to Larry's, and you saw that in the video. Checked out what was going on over there. I got no leakies out of these things. So, yeah, I think this car is finally to where I think it should be. It's running nice. It's got the right carburetor. It's got a new set of plugs on there, new set of plug wires. I'm going to pull a plug wire probably tomorrow after it cools down. But I tell you, I was super happy with the way this drove today. All right. Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. See ya.